Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick. I want to accept.
We are now calling on His Excellency Atiku to come to formally accept the
Atiku don dey come podium to accept the election result. Of the People's Democratic Party don't decide today, 28th of May 2022, who will represent them as the leader, presidential candidate of the party for 2023.
May we also invite His Excellency, the National Chairman and Chairman Building, to join us up here at the podium. The National Chairman of our great party, Professor should please join us up here at the podium. His Excellency, the National Chairman, Professor should please join us up here at the podium as the President of Biafra comes forward to make the acceptance speech. Please. All the governors of our party who are here should please join us up here at the podium. All the PDP governors who are here and all the candidates, all the aspirants, will please join us up here to show that PDP is one family. All the aspirants who are here for the acceptance speech, and after that, the formal closure of this convention. And then the chairman will declare the convention finally ended. We are still awaiting.
Okay, this is the triumphant entry of Atiku as he come to receive in acceptance speech. You see fights between police people and politicians as then they struggle to enter.
Only the candidate will come to this podium, please. Every other person should stay down. Please make way for the governors and the other aspirants. The national chairman is also here. Your Excellency, you're welcome. Congratulations, sir. You pulled it off.
Plenty fight and dragging there as plenty people want come up.
Thank you. Please, can you clear the way? Can you clear the way? Can you clear the way?
This is now the triumphant entry of Atiku Abubakar. And now we're going to do in acceptance speech.
Please, security, can you clear? We're now everybody. It's please, can we allow His Excellency to formally accept the mandate of the party? Your Excellency, sir.
Before you can just share it, no, it doesn't be like that.
It shouldn't be like that.
So what are you supposed to do?
You're supposed to say safe.
See, for instance, if I do like this.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do where to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.